Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Mzwandile Wanda has opened and become inflicted, forcing Kanyo at behest of Sebenzile to call Pagade for help. After Kanyo see that Mzwandile is bleeding and the bandage is full of blood, and Zitulele seems like he's scared after Mzwandile choke him on the neck, and the Bengo family is got disappointed when they found that Mzwandile was choking Zitulele. While trouble grows when Nairobi learns she stole the receipt from Tando. Finally, it's her first at a CEO. Zagiti fired Makosazane and Kulego. And it seems like Mandovu got disappointed that Kulego is fired on the Malojo energy. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.